Welcome to CGMA's Animal Drawing class. Whether you want to become a character artist or creature designer, both for 2D or 3D, having a deep understanding of animal anatomy is essential. Animal drawing emphasizes on developing an understanding of the anatomy of wildlife and domestic animals. Students will learn to construct quadruped skeletons as well as rendering fur and reptilian skin. Furthermore, there is an exploration on form and perspective with an analysis on gestures and expression. Learning to draw animals is a vital step in creating populated landscapes as well as building a foundation that strengthens believability when developing creature designs. Here's what you will learn. Week 1. You will learn basic animal structure, how animals are built, understand form and gesture. In Week 2, you'll be introduced to the skeleton, movement and limitations of the joints, balance and proportions. Week 3. You will be moving to Unguligrade construction shapes, muscles of equines and bovines. Week 4. You will learn how to draw the Digitigrade skeleton of canines and felines, breaking down the forms into simple shapes. Week 5. Digitigrade construction shapes and muscles of canine and feline, understanding the construction of basic shapes and muscle structures within them. Week 6. You will be moving into bony fish, sharks, and reptiles, construction shapes, skeleton and muscle overviews, and an in-depth look at how aquatic animals function. Week 7. An introduction to birds' construction shapes, skeleton and muscle, wing feather groups, folding and unfolding of the wings. Finally, on Week 8, prehistoric life and rendering your final portfolio piece. For the next 8 weeks, you will have industry's best artist as your mentor, allowing you to rapidly improve your skills by having access to industry-standard training and information in a one-on-one mentoring environment. Each week, you will have access to pre-recorded content that you will be able to access and review at any time, followed with a challenging homework assignment that will be reviewed weekly by your mentor, allowing you to master the skills needed to get into the industry. Once a week, you will also have a live Q&A session where you can interact with your mentor and ask any question. The live Q&A will be recorded and you will have access to it at any time. I really hope you enjoy this course, and the CGMA team is excited to see what you will come up with. Register today at cgmasteracademy.com.